In an earlier video, I created these abstract, really cool looking artistic holes that you can create onto any 3D object. The flip side, however, is that this technique comes with a really high amount of geometry, or polygons, if you will. So therefore, I thought I showed you how you can go from a really high number of polygons and then drastically reduce it. If we go up to the right corner here, we can click this overlays icon. And then we can turn on statistics. And then if we move over to the left, we can see that this object in this Blender file consists of almost 16 million faces. And in Blender, faces are the same as polygons. So that is just a ridiculously high amount of geometry. So what can we do to reduce this amount drastically? We can go over to this data properties icon here, and then we can go down to remesh. And here we need to play around a little bit with this voxel size. So if you have similar numbers to me, a good number to put in here without destroying the mesh is 0.002. And if you have a different number, you may have to do a couple of tries before you get it. And from here, you can just click this voxel remesh. Okay, so that took down our poly count to 360,000 something. So that is really great, but we can do a bit better. So if we go to add modifier and go to generate and then decimate, under collapse here, we can set a ratio. So I'm going to set mine to 0.1 and just go enter. And remember to apply this modifier here. So now if we go over to the left here and just wait a second or two, there we go. We can see that we now have a poly count of 72,000 something. So this is the way you can bring down a really high number of polys. And yeah, have a great day and peace out.